Hi, I'm Rahul Maheshwary, founder of Captivix, a digital implementation firm. Thanks for viewing this in-depth video series about how to drive successful digital transformation and digitization initiatives. In previous video, I gave you a high-level overview of my proven spec framework. In this video, we are going to take a deeper dive into the first component of the spec framework, strategy. It has been said that vision without strategy remains an illusion, and recent studies seem to bear this out. Gartner reported that in 2016, 125,000 organizations launched digital initiatives. Yet a recent Forrester report says only 27% of them have a coherent digital strategy. Let's take a look at how to turn your vision into reality with strategy. Step 1. Assemble the leaders in your organization. First, you need to look at the important stakeholders and build a team that can lead the transformation process. Here is who should be on the team: your chief operating officer or core business leader. For instance, if yours is a manufacturing business, this might be the head of your operations. If you are a data analytics firm, you must include your chief data scientist. You need a clear understanding of the cost to implement your strategy, and this is where your finance leaders can help. And I've said that before, you need digital savvy leader in the room, like your chief digital officer, to drive your strategy discussion. If you don't have such a person in the room, you may consider hiring a transformation consultant. Leaders from sales, marketing, and customer service must be presented. And finally, don't forget the partners, especially if they have direct interaction with your customers. After you assemble the leaders, you need to discuss your ambitions and create a unified vision for your transformation. A Venn diagram can help you identify overlying ambition among these interrelated stakeholders and show you where digitization can make the biggest impact. Once you have identified your ambitions, you may be tempted to start designing your strategies right away. Not so fast. There are some important things to consider. First, align your strategy with your core competency, recognizing what you are best at and harnessing technology to magnify your strength will give you a competitive advantage. Listen to the digital savvy leaders in the room when doing your market analysis and keep in mind technology can both drive tremendous growth and create powerful disruptions. You also need to have a clear understanding of your constraints. For example, are there compliance or regulatory limitations? Do you have the manpower, budget, and resources you need to pull off your transformation? After you have assembled the leaders, identified your ambitions, and considered the opportunities and challenges, it's time to take a close look at your competition and industry. Don't get caught playing tic-tac-toe when your competitors are playing three-dimensional chess. Now, let's start designing your strategy. Your design needs to be multifaceted and address 3 degrees of transformation: in business, in experience, and in culture. Let me explain what I mean by that. Your business transformation includes your go to market strategy and delivery of your products and services. Your strategy should also address how the experience for your customers and partners will be transformed. And finally, your strategy needs to outline how you plan to build and sustain a culture of transformation within your organization. Make sure to build digital success matrices to track the key performance indicator for each aspect of your strategy. And that is an overview on how to build a winning strategy within the SPEC framework for your business transformation. So let's recap. First, strategy, when aligned with your core competency, give you a strong competitive advantage. Assemble a winning leadership team before you start building on your strategy. Third, there are no silver bullets. Don't be afraid of failure, but be strategic in your effort and avoid throwing spaghetti at the wall. Fourth, measure. Remember, you can't manage it if you can't measure it. So focus on your digital success matrices. I hope you have enjoyed this video about building a winning strategy for your digital transformation. Coming up next, planning for the strategy you just designed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to download the free spec guide to help you in your digital transformation.